Bonjour, my name is Jorge Rodriguez and I'm the French tutor here at Valencia College, Osceola campus. Today I want to go over the days of the week, the months, the seasons, and how to form the date. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the days of the week. Les jours, oops, let me not write in cursive. Okay. Les jours de la semaine, which is the days of the week. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So, a quick fact before we go ahead and start naming the days and translating. The French calendar starts on a Monday, which is kind of opposed to the American calendar, which starts on a Sunday. So, according to that fact, we're going to go ahead and start with Monday, which is lundi, which is Monday. Mardi, which is Tuesday. Mercredi, which is Wednesday. Jeudi, sorry about the long pause. Thursday. Vendredi, which is Friday. Samedi, which is Saturday. And dimanche, which is Sunday. Okay, so now that we have the days of the week, let's go ahead and start with the months. For the months, I'm going to go ahead and do go ahead and categorize them by the seasons. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start with l'hiver, which is the winter. And the days that fall in within that categorized season is décembre, which is December, janvier, which is January, and février. I'm sorry about that. And février, which is February. Le printemps, oh my gosh, I'm sorry about that. Le printemps, which starts with March, which is Mars. Then comes April, which is Avril. And then May, which is May. Okay, so the next season would be l'été. And that would begin with June, which is juin. Next would be July, which is juillet. And finally, août, which is August. Okay, and finally we have autumn. L'automne, l'automne. So that that season starts with September, which is septembre. Octobre. Novembre. And then you would go back up to l'hiver for winter. Okay, so one thing that I do want to go ahead and finally on this lesson is how to write the date. When writing the date, the month or le mois is written with the first letter in the lower case, unlike in English where the month starts with the capitalized letter. For example, February would be with a capital F. So I want to go ahead and give you some type of formula that you could do to write the date. So let's go ahead and label this date. Let me switch my color. And then always when you do the date, you want to go ahead and put l'article défini, which is the defined article. In this case, for the date, we're going to use le. Always. It's not la, it's always le, because the date is always masculine. And then you would put the date, the month, sorry, there's no comma there, the month, comma, year. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an example here. It would be le 30 avril 2012. So as you could see, we went over les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Then we went on and did the seasons, which was l'hiver, winter, printemps. Sorry, I forgot to write the definitions on the side. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Spring, l'été, summer, and automne, fall. And then we went over and how to do the date. So if you have any other questions on this chapter or any others, please go ahead and come in to the Osceola Campus Learning Center and ask for Jorge for more French tutoring. Thank you et à bientôt.